Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So how is your school?
Okay.
Kano sa man yung tapos sa class inday?
April 16.
April 16, so next month na no?
Mm.
Okay. So okay. I'm here to deliver your bugas. You have 125 kilo rice and 1 box of ramen, and you also have 3 Alberto's pizza. Okay. And 1,000 pesos your allowance. Okay, ha? And that is from SVNIM.
Uncle SVNIM, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ashley and Damia.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So you look so cute sa inyong gisulog inday. Mo na yung gi-kuan shopping ato? Kana yung gi wearing a clothes? Apag niagi dito sa island Agaysano? Okay. So nagsabot yung mundo ha. Ladies in blue. Okay, so you have pizza, 2 pan, and 500 worth of fruits. Okay. And lastly, Ashley and Damia, you have 500 pesos each allowance. Okay, and that is all from Yongtaknim.
Yongtaknim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yorika.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, kumusta naman ang eskwela ni mo, Inday?
Okay ra.
Okay. So, it's been a long time, no? Nga, wala na tayo nagkita. Then, I'm here to deliver your fruits. You have 500 worth of fruits, Inday. Please receive. Okay. Assorted fruits na siya. And then, you have 2 pan of pizza. Please receive. Okay, madapa. And you also have 200 pesos allowance. And that is all from Ura Chachanim.
Ura Chachanim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
And Kim.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay. So how is your school man? Okay. So next month will be your closing, no? Okay. So I'm here to deliver. You have 500 worth of fruits each. Okay. And 2 pan of pizza each. Okay. And lastly, Ura Chachanim gives you 200 pesos allowance each. Okay.
Ura Chachanim, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Okay na. Bye bye. And Nicole.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so Jasmine is not here. So Jasmine Hakyo isuyo. So you will receive na lang for Jasmine. Okay. Each one of you, Trimyong, Semyong, Semyong. Okay, you have 2 pan of pizza each and 500 worth of fruits each. Okay, and lastly, Ura Chachanim gives you 200 pesos each. I don't have any bill man, so you can divide na lang later. So for the total of 600 pesos. Okay, that is from Ura Chachanim.
Ura Chachanim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye. Ayla. Okay. So you and also Chloe. So since Chloe wala diri, she go to Mactan ba to, no? For buying some projects, no? Projects material. Okay. So you will receive the delivery for Chloe na lang. Okay. And take a video na lang after yung makauli siya hindi ha when she arrives. Okay. So Chloe and you have 500 worth of fruits. Okay. And 2 pan of pizza each. Okay, ikaw si Chloe. And lastly, you have 200 pesos allowance for you and also for Chloe, 200 pesos. And that is all from Ura Chachanim.
Ura Chachanim, annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take a video ha. Okay, bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, Carl Jane and Heart Jane. So Jeremy is nasa
Jollibee.
Jollibee nag-purchase siya kuan for your mukbang mission. Okay. So, Carl Jane, I will give you na lang the delivery for Cheremy ha.
Yes.
And you will take a video na lang kung mari na siya. Okay. So, Semyong, you have 500 worth of fruits each and 2 pan of pizza each. And also, Semyong, 200 pesos each. So I don't have any bill man. So 600 for total. Divide lang ninyo ma-change na ha.
Yes.
Okay. And that is from Ura Chachanim.
Ora chachanim. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Areo Kisha. Okay. So you will have Jollibee mukbang. Okay. Kanang ilista lang ang imuhang kuyogon ha. Kuyog ni Nana, Apple, Christine, Ariana, Bora, and last Chantal. So 7 mo kabuok. Okay. Pang lista hindi. Mo nang lista. So you have Jollibee mukbang worth of 2,000 pesos ha. Kamong pito. Then take a good video. Okay. And that is from Pakso Chilmi.
박수진님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Kanasaman mo magmukbang?
Basing ugma.
Ugma lang tomorrow. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
안녕하세요 kuya. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, so kuya, mo ni amo ang pliti. Karon back and forth na 1-1. And that is from Yong Taknim.
Yung taknim,
Kamsahamnida.
samsamida.
Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida yung Taknim. Bye bye kuya.
Bye-bye.
Salamat.
Thank you.